Hi friends, today I am showing how to microcontroller burn for a beginner or who have some knowledge of microcontroller. So he can microcontroller burn, how to program the microcontroller. I am describing everything in assembly language. Okay, so first of all you need computer. This is a computer, and this burner I'm using a top 853 burner, and microcontroller chip, and this is my personal board. This is the holder, microchips holder, and you can use by breadboard or your board, anything. And for the beginner may need minimum something which is uh, this is this is 8051. It's pin from 1 to 20 and 21 to 40. This is microcontroller. Okay, and just a minute, you need to read from this site. I'm showing you which site. Just a minute. Microchip, this is 88905 datasheet microcontroller, and it's atmel 8-bit can microcontroller flash memory. You just read uh, the 88951 architecture, 256 runs of them, 2048 byte on chip EEPROM, 64-bit, and everything is here. Okay, now wait just a minute. I have some, and you have to read Majid PDF 8051 description, everything here, the fine description. Muhammad Al Majid, Jinsi Gillespie Majid. Okay, wait just a minute. Opening, this page is opening. Wait, wait, page is not opening here. Wait, loading this page. Okay, next page is not coming, so wait. Right. System microcontroller system using assembly and C. I am described the assembly. Okay, so introduction, everything is here. You can read from here the microcontroller, but it's a Majid PDF. Look here, Majid PDF. Now need more instrument. That is the just a minute. Here is the assembler. If you type to your operating bit ASM51, you can download from here or here microcontroller ASM execution file. Okay, when you download file, so you will see this you will see these files. Okay, this is assembly file. Here is a document. You can read from across assembler US manual and everything here, how it's run. Okay, so I need a microcontroller. Wait a minute. This is top win. This is top win. It's this burners software you can download, or if you purchase this, so provider support you a CD. Okay, however, you can download um, from net, through net, or you want use another burner, so you can use. Now if you read this microcontroller introduction computer 8051 everything from here, everything is fine, description here, you can read from here. Okay, just type Majid PDF. Okay, and here is the datasheet microcontroller, how many pins, how the voltage work, how bit run, everything is here. It's company's PDF block diagram. Okay, everything is here. I'm describe here 8051 40 pins. This is my board, and this is, here is a crystal oscillator and 2 PF 30 PF. This is my E connector, and this is reset pin, or this is regulator, 5 volt regulator. It's ready for if power is okay, then it is run. So you need first a computer and a burner, and one burner and microchip and board, or you can breadboard, and need a multimeter. It's multimeter and soldering iron and solder or LEDs wire, etc. This is the first lesson. Just you read, and I think you can understand how the microcontroller run and how the microcontroller program. It's possible. I'm describe here all assembly language. Okay, I'm trying to all describe how to LED on and off, switch interfacing, relay interfacing, and counter, timer, etc. It's possible by me. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Wait for next video. Okay, thank you. Like and subscribe.